Living snakes are found on every continent except Antarctica and on most smaller landmasses. Exceptions include some large islands, such as Ireland, Iceland, Greenland, and the islands of New Zealand, as well as many small islands of the Atlantic and Central Pacific Oceans. Additionally, sea snakes are widespread throughout the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Around 30 families are currently recognized, comprising about 520 genera and about more than 4,170 species. They range in size from the tiny 10.4 centimeter long Barbados thread snake to the reticulated python of 6.95 meters, 22.8 feet, in length. The fossil species Titanoboa cerahonensis was 12.8 meters, 42 feet long. Snakes are thought to have evolved from either burrowing or aquatic lizards, perhaps during the Jurassic period, with the earliest known fossils dating to between 143 and 167 million years ago. The diversity of modern snakes appeared during the Paleocenic epoch, 666 to 56 million years ago, after the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. The oldest preserved descriptions of snakes can be found in the Brooklyn Papyrus. Most species of snake are non-venomous, and those that have venom use it primarily to kill and subdue prey rather than for self-defense. Some possess venom that is potent enough to cause painful injury or death to humans. Non-venomous snakes either swallow prey alive or kill by constriction. Snakes are elongated, limbless reptiles of the suborder Serpentes. Cladistically squamates, snakes are ectothermic, amniote vertebrates covered in overlapping scales, much like other members of the group. Many species of snakes have skulls with several more joints than their lizard ancestors and relatives, enabling them to swallow prey much larger than their heads. To accommodate their narrow bodies, snakes' paired organs, such as kidneys, appear one in front of the other instead of side by side, and most only have one functional lung. Some species retain a pelvic girdle with a pair of vestigial claws on either side of the cloaca. Lizards have independently evolved elongate bodies without limbs or with greatly reduced limbs at least 25 times via convergent evolution, leading to many lineages of legless lizards. These resemble snakes, but several common groups of legless lizards have eyelids and external ears, which snakes lack, although this rule is not universal. See Amphispenia and Dibamidae. All modern snakes are grouped within the suborder Serpentes in Linnaean taxonomy, part of the order Squamata, though their precise placement within squamates remains controversial. The two infraorders of Serpentes are Alenthonophidia and Scolophidia. This separation is based on morphological characteristics and mitochondrial DNA sequence similarity. Alenthonophidia is sometimes split into Henophidia and Canophidia, with the latter consisting of colubroid snakes, colubrids, vipers, elapids, hydrophides, and atractospids and acrochordids, while the other Alenthonophidian families comprise Henophidia. While not extant today, the Madsowai, a family of giant, primitive python-like snakes, lived until 50,000 years ago in Australia, represented by genera such as Wanambi. Recent molecular studies support the monophyly of the clades of modern snakes, Scolnecophidians, Typhlopids plus anomaly pepids, Alenthonophidians, core Alenthonophidians, Europeltids, including Cylindrophis, Anonomotulus, and Europeptins, Macrostomatins, Booids, Boids, Pythonids, and Xenophidians.